Welcome back to another show and tell video. Today we're taking a look at a couple examples of ambidextrous charging handles from GUNTEC USA. And we also have here an ambidextrous charging handle latch to be used as a modification to an existing mil-spec style charging handle. So here you can see here a standard style charging handle with the one side latch, and then if we open up one of these, you can see here some of the modifications that have been done in order to turn this version ambidextrous. Now there are a lot of different designs of ambidextrous charging handles. This just happens to be one of them, as well as kind of a unique design. So some handles then use a split design, so you can latch them from both directions. This one, on the other hand, uses the same side of pivoting, but then extend the latch mechanism itself so that they can be used from this angle as well, from behind, as well as this larger grab handle design. Now this does appear to be based on, say, this style from an original Badger Ordnance pattern, but you can see here design differences that GUNTEC USA have then undertaken by adding this portion here, as well as a variety of different patterns here on this larger grab surface. Some still use the single window pane there, as you can see, but then others also use the multiple frame right there. You can see here the large push button at the back, which then manipulates the lever to help release. So we take a look at this portion of the mechanism and get a better look at it. You can see it all resides around the same pinhole pin mechanism that would go into, say, a mil-spec. Move some of that oil out of the way, you can see the pinhole there and how this would drop in and then may re-pinned, and then it would look something like this version. Now we'll take a look at the different version here, just basically a different color, similar instruction card on the back for this one. Here you can see this is anodized green. These do come in a variety of colors, but this one also has the same back latch position mechanism that manipulates it all around the same pinhole there. So it doesn't require, separate wings in the design. It all just uses a single latch, just with a lot more material to allow ambidextrous operation. But taking a quick look at just some examples from GUNTEC USA of their ambidextrous kind of tactical latch charging handles. These are for this size, are for the AR-15, M-16, M-4 type of platforms. But these are also available, I believe, for the larger AR-10, SR-25, etc. platforms as well. But this has been another show and tell video. Feel free to check out other show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We also do unboxing videos, as well as a selection of book review media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.